In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your collection cups from Motif Medical for efficient and convenient pumping. Let's get started. Take the diaphragm and attach it to the plastic flange. Ensure it's securely in place. Next, attach the valve to the plastic flange. Push firmly to make sure it's properly connected. Now, attach the collection cup to the plastic phalange. It should click into place easily. After determining your phalange size, insert the silicone phalange insert into the collection cup. This provides a better fit and comfort. Take the tubing with the green connector and attach it to the collection cup. The green connector should already be attached to the tubing, but you can remove it and reattach it if necessary. Finally, connect the other end of the tubing to your pump. Our collection cups are compatible with our Luna and Duo breast pumps and most bras. Repeat these steps with the other collection cup if you're setting up for double pumping. Your collection cups are now assembled and ready for use. Happy pumping!